This week on London Real, we have the strength coach and former pro strongman, Elliott Hulse.
I experienced that my body is my mind. The more rigid and square you are, the more you're manipulated by data and ideas rather than intuition and feeling. You know what your problem is, Elliott? You got an answer for everything. Well, guess what, Mom and Dad? I made it because I got an answer for everything. But now the evolution has been, I don't have an answer for everything. Decide on your core values first, and then build a business that you could fit around it. With regard to psychedelics, so it's the first time I'm saying it on TV, I've used ayahuasca. If you think that you've resolved your shadow issues, you've got shadow issues.
On Sunday, London Real presents Elliott Hulse. The body is the mind.
If where you are and what you have and what you do right now resonates deeply with you, then you're successful.